Thermomix loves Zendesk, and the fact that you guys have added AI is all the better. My name is Kanisha Bryan. I am the head of customer service at Thermomix. The implementation of AI helped our team in numerous ways. We are able to move a lot faster. It's increased our first response time by 63%. It's given the agents the ability to switch and maneuver through screens 30% faster. The agents absolutely love the writing tool. That is their favorite. It'll fix the tone, it fixes the grammar, and that helps the agents to be able to communicate more effectively, the customers to be able to understand exactly what it is that we're asking or needing of them. The AI tools are absolutely celebrated by my team. The Zendesk QA platform, we absolutely love it. Everybody is being quality assured to make sure that we're offering and delivering the most efficient and effective and high quality customer service available. What I absolutely love about Zendesk has nothing to do with your AI, but it's actually the customer service that Zendesk provides. The best thing about Zendesk is Zendesk's ability to really reach out to their customers and have human connection. I could never see myself walking away from Zendesk.